What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I may be looking a little bit weird because I actually don't have anything like on my lips, but also I have like nothing on my eyes, like not even like an eye base or anything. That is because, you see these eyebrows? Today, I'm gonna be trying out this guy, the Plouise and Mmmmitchell Acid Rain collection. I don't even know if I can like fit it in screen. There we go. But like, oh my God, I was so excited when I received this. So this is what the box looks like inside. So I'm just gonna take this guy off. There we go. See you, pal. So inside we have 5 of the Acid Rain colored bases. We also have, ow, nearly lost a nail then. God, you really are in there tight. We have the blank canvas base, which I am very, very excited about. And then we have this little thing, like a little paintbrush. I actually originally thought this was like a little handheld mirror. And then I realized it's a little brush collection, which I'm very excited for because I'm always wondering what the guys at Plouise and Mmmmitchell use in like terms of brushes. So very excited to have some made by them. So the first one is a flat brush, which I think I'm gonna be getting a lot of use out of. This is the one I'm most excited about. We then have a little angle brush, which is obviously like perfect for liners. And then we have another teeny tiny little liner brush, which obviously will come in handy for liner and like any little details. So as well as the blank canvas, you get 5 of the colored bases. Let me hold this up in a better way that's like not really, really stupid. Ta-da! So we've got 2 purples, 1 pink, 1 kind of like teal color, and then another kind of pink actually. So I actually love using the original Plouise base, this guy here. I think they might have changed the packaging now actually. But yeah, I really, really like this stuff. So very excited to give these a go. I'm actually a little bit like intrigued and a little bit worried because I know there's no chance I'm ever gonna do anything as amazing as like Mitch or anyone on the Plouise team. I don't know, like for years I feel like most people, I always like powdered down my base. So using a wet base is already like, it's already like a little bit out of my comfort zone. But to use like a wet colored base that then dries down so you don't need to put eyeshadow on top at all, I'm just like, huh? So yeah, don't expect miracles here. Don't expect anything like astounding. But yeah, I'm gonna give them a little go. So let's swatch some of these colors. Oh, that actually looks a lot brighter than I thought it was gonna. So this one here is Ibiza. I'm actually a teeny tiny bit scared and I don't know why. Okay, let's, oh, this is like very oily. There's like just like some drops of oil coming out there. That's fine. Okay, let's like warm that up. Oh, that's so odd, but that is so nice. It feels like it's gonna be, I don't know, almost like a clay mask kind of consistency, but it's like really, really liquidy, but super opaque. Oh, I'm intrigued. I'm really intrigued now. I was not expecting it to be like that. We then have the shade Raver, which is like this super bright pink. So I'm just gonna like kind of warm that up on the tip of my fingers, just so I can get a good swatch. Oh my goodness. Look at that shit. What the hell? This is literally like paint for your friggin' eyeballs. Like, I know that's kind of the idea, but no, it literally is like paint. Oh, looks like we've got a little bit of staining. That's fine, but good to know. We'll then try out Ecstasy, which is like the deeper purple. Oh my God, it's like an indigo. Oh my God, I love it. I feel like I'm getting way too excited about these. We then have Glow Girl, which is like another pink. So that's that one there. That's actually really, really pretty. It's kind of like a fuchsia. Nice. Nice. Oh my God, these are so messy. I might actually have to get out my little palette thing because otherwise I'm just gonna be a mess by the end of this video. Okay, so then the one that I'm probably the most excited about is obviously the blue, which is called Nitro. Oh my God, that looks so freaking nice. Let's take a little chunk of that. Oh my God, okay. Hiya. Well, shit. Oh my God, that looks way better than I thought it was gonna. So then we also have the blank canvas, which I wasn't really sure what like the difference was between this and like the original eye base, but I'm pretty sure this one's like a full coverage base. That like, I mean, the website said it's set in like 60 seconds. Yeah, that's like properly opaque. All right, let's try these out. I need my little paint palette. Okay, so I got my little paint pans, my little palette, so let's do this. I don't even really know where to start, to be quite honest, because I'm basically using a product that I've never used before with a bunch of colors that, I mean, like, I don't normally wear pinks and I don't really wear that many purples. So little bit out of my comfort zone here. Okay, so first of all, I think what I am going to do is take like I think I have the Rumor 2. So I'm going to take some of that base on this little yellow brush. Lol at me like making this sound like it's a tutorial when I have no idea what it is I'm doing. But yeah, I'm just going to properly slap that over my eyeballs and like do a little bit of carving of the old eyebrow. I'm like fully prepared to screw up my base today just to get a decent eye look out of this. And then basically, just a heads up, in between any color, if you like see me using a different brush or like the same brush but with a different color, I'm just gonna be wiping it off in between. No trickery or nothing. I think I'm gonna start off with the shade Ecstasy first. I'm really nervous about this. Okay, give it a little squish and pop some of that. Oh my God, I feel like an actual painter. So I'm just gonna take it on a fairly small kind of like pencil fluffy brush. Again, still sounding pretty confident so far. We'll soon see how that turns out. I'm gonna start tapping so freaking lightly because remember, Steph, this is a cream. This does not work like a normal eyeshadow does. Remember that. Don't be a fool. So I'm just gonna try and just do that. Whatever it is I'm doing right now, I'm just doing that. Thing she's doing, that. It's the blend that I don't understand, you know? It's actually really, really late right now. It's 3 a.m. So I feel like I can just fully just go wild. Like, if I screw up, it's fine. I ain't got nowhere to go. Let's just like pop that down kind of onto the lid. Take the tiniest touch more just because I want some more on my lid. That is really nice, to be fair. That is really bloody nice. So then how the hell do I blend those two together? I'm now gonna take Ibiza, which is like that lighter purple. I feel like it makes sense to kind of do that. So there's a fair little bit of staining on that brush, but I am gonna get rid of like most of the pigment on there. And then take some of that and start to overlap. Is this how they do it? It's probably not. If you're actually like good at these things, then I'm jealous. Okay, that's already like way too blended there. So I'm just gonna take a tiny little touch more of the base that I originally used. And again, just like lightly overlap that. Huh. That worked quite well. That was just me trying to fix a mistake then and like low-key play it off as something I was supposed to do. But now I wasn't supposed to do that. It's good to know that works. All right, so I feel like that's kind of like what I want to happen here. Kind of, I'll take it. So now, oh my God, you guys need to remind me to like put the lids back on here because I can't imagine that's a good thing if I don't. Now I think I might take, I don't know. I'm gonna take this one. Raver. I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but I'm doing it. Oh my God, I could mix these. Okay, that was more than I actually needed. I'm gonna take the tiniest little amount because I've realized with these, like you really don't need a lot at all. Okay, so then I'm going to probably screw this up. Go like right down to my inner corner. Oh, no, that actually worked fine, actually. I'm just kind of like pressing that in. Oh, see, I knew I spoke too soon. Spoke too bloody soon. Pressed too hard. Literally, like, you got to have like the lightest touch with these. So like, I want to make that a little bit in there pop, but I do still want a bit of a gradient. Well, not a bit of a gradient. I'd like a absolutely stonking Plouise gradient, but I mean, the product might be able to work miracles, but I sure as hell can't. I do like the way those two colours are blending though. Like the bases themselves actually blend together really, really nicely. I'm now going to take that yellow brush again, just make sure all the product is off there. And I'm going to go in with a bit more of that pink. And I'm going to slap that on the inner corner. Slappy, slappy. Oh, we've got a little bit of blending up in here. I feel like the base has dried down a little bit, which is fair enough because I did apply it like 18 years ago. Mate, those colours are so intense. Like, I just looked at it. I've just been kind of like focusing on blending it for the past few minutes. But I just looked at it and that is such, like, they're such intense colours. Like, what? I'm now going to take a little risk. I am. Take a little risk, mix a little bit of the purple and the pink, and then tap that over the top and create a little blend. Maybe. Can she do it? Possibly. I think what I find weird about like applying these kinds of products is I never know how much to use. Never, ever, ever. So like I don't know if me layering this is bad. I don't know anything, to be quite honest. So yeah, there's that. That's always good to, you know, if you're looking for a review, you look for one from someone that doesn't actually know what they're doing. That's always a good idea. But please don't click off. Who knows? Maybe we'll make something magical. Slap a little bit more pink on there because I do want it a little bit more pink. Okay, I'm kind of feeling that now. I'm not going to lie. I'm not amazing at this, but this is just doing something for me. Okay, so now I'm a little bit scared because now I'm going to cut the crease with this brush once I've cleaned it. And I'm going to use the blank canvas base. And I'm going to try and do something fancy and like wing it out and just, I don't know, I'm just going to try and do something fancy. I'm not going to say what I'm going to do because it probably won't work out. So I'm going to take some of the blank canvas. This one I feel like is a little bit more oily. Almost. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, let's just do this. Right. Okay, I can confirm that this brush is so good for cutting the crease. It's just like so sharp. So basically what I'm trying to do is mix a little bit of that pink and that blank canvas to create a little something there. But I'm running out of my little mixture that I made. Okay, just breathe, Steph. You got this, girl. I feel like we're kind of getting somewhere. And then just blend it out. Maybe. I mean, I feel like I liked it a bit more before. Oh, I don't know. I mean, I was expecting the blank canvas to be like a little bit more opaque. And it says it would like set down in 60 seconds, but it doesn't really seem to be right now. Okay, now what? Now I'm really confused. I feel like I'm now going to take the shade Glow Girl. Again, I think. So again, just like wiping off that flat brush. Really liking this flat brush, by the way. And I'm going to take some of the product on there. And, okay, I'm going to try and like follow the kind of cut crease I just did. And create like double, maybe. Sorry, I can't really talk doing this, guys. Like, I don't really know how to be quite honest. I'm now going to take that brush again and get off the majority of the product and then go back in with that dark purple shade. And I'm going to add like, actually, I'm going to use a different brush for that. Because I can, I'm going to use this green one. So taking that dark purple, and I'm going to do a bit of a line out here. I am like well and truly making this up as I go along, by the way, guys. Like, I don't actually know if this is even going to work out. Go back in with that slightly lighter purple as well to give it a bit of a blend. And I'm just going to, yeah, just keep on like slapping, tapping, blending, trying to figure out how to use these things. It's like, I know they're good. It's just, I don't really know how to use them, to be quite honest with you. Okay, so I've got that bit kind of like winging out there. So what I was kind of thinking of doing was, will this work or not? I don't know. I feel like making like a bit of a wing. Should I just say fuck it and do it? This could really screw this up. Sorry, I like fully realised I've just had my like face just stuck in a mirror this whole time. Oh, this is very nice to kind of like stamp out liners. I like it a lot for that. Well, that line is crispy, man. I wish I had like a black one or something to do this with. So I could deepen the, just like deepen it as I got closer to my actual lash line. Okay, that's definitely something a little bit different for me. That's definitely something a little bit different. It might not be amazing. I'm sure there's loads of you watching this that's like, how, like, has she only done that? But you guys are freaking talented motherfuckers. I'm not. Okay, I feel like it's only fair, wherever the hell it is. I feel like it's only fair to use this guy. Like, this is the colour I was most excited about. And it's the one I haven't used yet. So this is in the shade Nitro. I'm going to use... Oh my god, I could actually... Would that work? No, I feel like that would ruin it. I was going to say I could use it, like, in my little cut creasy thing. But nah. I'm actually going to put a little bit of that on my lower lash line. Using that little liner brush. I know that's probably a bit weird, but it's what I'm doing right now. Oh my god. I know what I'm going to do with the bloody liner brush. I'm going to put that in my waterline. Hell freaking yeah, dude. I forgot you could do that with them. Bloody hell, this colour is so sick. So now I'm going to take a clean flat brush. I'm just going to start by blending and slightly smoking out those edges. But I don't want to go like too smoky just yet. I have got a little bit of like powdered down concealer under my eyes as well. So I'm curious to see how that will all blend in together. I mean, it seems to be doing quite well. Yeah, I literally completely forgot you can like put those in your waterline. I'm going to do some of that with that purple. Okay, I love that stuff on my waterline. Now just going to take a little bit of that pink, again, just cleaned off the brush. And put that in my waterline as well. I feel like that's definitely looking a little bit different from me. Oh my God. All right, guys, I'm now going to take some of my Ofra Rodeo Dry because I want to highlight my inner corner with at least a little bit of shimmer. And like see how that kind of pops. Yay. Oh my God, I actually quite like this. For like my first little go, I don't think that's too bad. The lines like this line here, I would have made a bit lighter. I don't think that's too bad. I'm gonna do the tiniest little tickle up on my brow bone as well. I mean, it's a little bit wonky in some places, but I actually I don't think that's half bad. Oh, I'm quite happy about that. Yeah, the wing is a little bit crazy and I would like to kind of deepen it a little bit. Maybe I will in a second. But I think with some lashes and stuff, I think that's all right. Please be nice to me. It's my first time doing this. All right, guys. So there is no chance that I'm going to be sitting here and filming me doing the other eye because I've already been doing this for way too long. So I'm going to go off camera, do this eye, add some lashes, add something to my lips, do the usual, and I will check back with you guys my final thoughts and so that you can all see this finished. Hopefully it'll be a look. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Okay, see you in a sec. All right, guys, I'm done. It's not perfect. It's not even really that even. But for a first go on using these little paints, I don't think it's too bad. Are my wings even? No. Are my lines straight? No. But it's all right. Oh, man, I feel like I'm going to really enjoy using these. Like, I already do. My lashes are stuck together there. I already really like it. But, I mean, it's definitely something that is going to take a little while for me to, figure out how to use that suits me. I feel like the second eye was easier than the first, just because I feel like I kind of got a little feel for the products after a while. But yeah, they blend so nicely. It is a weird one, blending in the creams, but once you just kind of stop thinking about it, yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but I feel like that's a much better blend than this side here. Love the little colored paints for in my waterline. I think I'm actually going to be using that quite often because this just doesn't seem to want to budge at all. And as far as is it set? I mean, yeah, it's set. It feels very, very weird. It feels like it's still kind of not tacky, but it does just feel like moisturizing, which is really weird to have on my eyes. Yeah, it's a weird one. But yeah, I do feel like I'm going to have a lot of fun with those once I actually figure out how to use them properly. Okay, it's now nearly 5 in the morning. I don't know why I'm not tired. But yeah, I guess I'm just going to take this off and go to bed, really. Kind of feels like a bit of a shame, but I'll get a picture and chuck it on the gram. Oh, and also, the brushes are really, really nice. I feel like I do have a brush like this, and I do have a brush like this one. But I really, really like the flat brush. It's so, so good for getting a really crisp line. So yeah, I'm a really big fan. I'm a really big newbie, and I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm really excited to use these a little more. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully some of you guys found it helpful because I know some of you were asking about my thoughts on this. Yeah, I really like it. I really bloody like it. Let me know what you guys think of this eye look in the comment section down below. Be nice. It's my first time. If you enjoyed this video, as always, please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you do want to see more of me because I upload all the damn time and because I film videos at 5 in the morning for you guys. But apart from that, that is it from me. I love you guys and I will see you in the next one. Bye. My hands are so stained. You know what? I just realized I did that entire outro. I was so focused on my eyes, I didn't even put anything on my lips. I'll make sure I do in the cutaway, but I'm going to bed, man. See you later. If you want to see the full look with the lips and everything, check out my Instagram. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, yeah. Good night.